Hey, I'm Sarah Clay and I've got a post idea for you. Every Monday, I post an idea on LinkedIn for you to post something on LinkedIn this week. Today, I'm talking about testimonials. I know that it's really scary posting testimonials, but how good are you at what you do? And how does everybody else know how good you are unless you tell them? But don't tell them yourself. Get your clients to tell them. Here's a thought. When you go on holiday and you're looking for somewhere to eat and you're walking down the high street and you see two restaurants, one's quite full, the other's really empty, which one are you going to go to? You're going to go to the one with people in it because the people have voted with their feet by going to the restaurant. Or you might even ask somebody, where's a good place to eat? So recommendations and testimonials are really important. And you know what? They're not showing off, they're showing proof. They're showing proof that you're good at what you do and that you can do it. So don't be frightened about posting testimonials from your clients on your LinkedIn feed. It's a really good idea. Say thank you to the client. Say thank you. How kind of you for saying these nice things about me. How lovely it was to work with you. And don't forget to tag in whoever has said those nice things about you. So be brave. Post a testimonial on your LinkedIn feed this week. Please tag me in, as I'd love to see how good you are at what you do. And if you like my ideas, please follow me on LinkedIn if you're not doing already. You can also follow me on YouTube now as well. And please comment below and let me know what you think about posting testimonials. I really look forward to seeing your posts on LinkedIn this week. Catch you later.